Okay, so I am gonna use these two palettes today to do this look, and let me open them so you can see what they look together. This is what they look together. I want to do a peachy eye and something with that bright green. Maybe my inner corners? Because I don't know, I'm so into peaches lately, so I just feel like I want to do something with this color right here, and I have used that on my channel before, like a long time ago, but I really love that color. So I think I'm gonna start with these two mattes in my crease, and I might use this one as well, the reddish one from this one. So I'm gonna use those three mattes in my crease and see what we get. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this one, which is the more orangey one, and I'm going a bit neutral here. Look at me. So now I'm gonna take this one that is the more reddish one from the Meadow palette, and just gonna make it a bit more dark and a bit more red just in the absolute crease, so to speak, like in the very fold. Maybe that's what I want to say. Wow, that is kind of neutral, but you know what? I'm not hating this. I'm gonna do something on my lower lash line as well before I just go in with that peach. So I'm gonna take the same red as I had now on the short shader E20. I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line because I want this to be like a lot of color, even though maybe they're not so bright. Although for some people this isn't neutral. For some people this is like orange, and I get that. I'm just gonna blend the lower edge a bit as well with the same brush to soften the edge a bit. Okay, so now I am gonna use this one, which is the very beautiful peachy one from the Vintage palette. I am just gonna, you know what, I'm gonna use a pencil brush to really pack this on. And I am gonna spray my brush just like this. I'm gonna spray my brush and I'm really gonna work this into my entire lid. I love this color. It is, look at that. I'm really working it in, like patting it on and just smoothing it out. But it is such a beautiful, vibrant metallic peach. I miss this palette so much. Why haven't I used this for so long? It is so beautiful. I'm taking it all the way to my inner corners and I'm just gently blending this in with the crease. And now I'm gonna take my finger, just like that, and I'm gonna pat that on to intensify this color a bit. Just in the middle. That is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Ugh, I love it. So I'm gonna do the same on the other eye as well. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna do some eyeliner and some mascara, and I'll be right back and we can do the inner corner because I want to do something green. Okay, so this is what it's looking like when I have some liner and some mascara. I think I'm gonna use a bit of black actually to make this a bit more dramatic on the waterline. I mean, this could be a look on its own, but I really want to use this green one because I think it's so pretty. So I am going to use that one. I'm just cleaning my brush. I'm going to use that one in my inner corners and I'm going to spray it a bit. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, that is cool. This is definitely a bit dark, so I'm gonna use this one from Nabla, which is called Zoe. This like duochrome green here in the corner. I'm just gonna lighten this up a bit, because I think I want it to be a bit lighter or more shimmery. That is nice. So that's a fun look, and I'm happy I got to use this Zoe shadow as well. I'm really happy about this. I'm just gonna put some lashes on and then we can do the lips, because I want to do an oldie but a goodie. So this is the look with the lashes on, and I'm gonna do a combo of Skimpy lip liner and Skimpy Lippie Stix by Colourpop. I used to be all about this Lippie. It is so nice. So now I'm gonna put it on again. Oh, the smell is, it's like vanilla powder. And these are nice, but they always like come out like this, so make sure that you don't lose them. Like seriously, make sure you don't lose them. I just love this color so much. I think it's so beautiful. Let me see if I can just zoom you out a little bit. So that is the finished look. That is me using the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Meadow and Vintage palette. And how rude. I just love this brand. I love these eyeshadow palettes, and I'm so happy I got to dig them out again after doing the video about my favorite neutrals, which sounds very weird. Yeah, I was like, why haven't I used the vintage palette in so long? It's one of my favorites. I love it. And yeah, I'm so excited to be able to film stuff like this. Me being a low buy has really helped me to go through my collection and pick out some oldies but goodies and use them again. And I'm just so excited about that. Let me know how you feel about this video and this look. Let me know if there's any other palettes that you know I have laying around that you would like me to do looks with. Combining, or Throwback Thursdays, or just hit me up with some suggestions down below. And don't forget the subscribe button is here if you'd like to be subscribed to my channel. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!